Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Mi 9T, and today I'm going to show you how we can customize always on display. So at the first we have to go for the settings, tap on the search pool, type always, then go for the always on the display and the lock screen. Let's turn on this ambient display, and at the first we can change the theme. So there we got a couple of the themes that we can set up. We can change the colors of the captions, we can change also the position, text, change the text size, go for the bold of the font, and the same for the letter spacing. So as you can see, actually there we got a lot of things that we can customize, right? You can also show date at a time, show battery status, show notifications. We can change the color automatically. I think it's really cool. And here we're also able to change the signature, right? Let's apply this one, and here we got also other themes. So if you would like to set up one of them, you have to click it. It's very simple. And here we can also change the animation when pops on the screen when we receive a notification. I will go for the starlight, and just take a look right now how it looks when we customize this always on display. As you can see, here it is. So I think it looks really cool. So yeah, that's how we can make it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya.